Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So this is an old style refrigerator from the old days. So it is 1986 or 88, something like this. Or probably 82, I don't remember even. It's at the back, I am not going. So this is the style of this fridge. It's still working. If you use the thing perfectly well, it's working unlimited time if no problems with electricity and you care about it. It's for any trademark of old times. I mean old times, even from till 2005, 2010, these times. After 2010, there are problems because they do not care for every product when producing. So this is fridge part, very important, very good part. This was inside it. This was inside it. You see? Freezing part. Freezing part. And they are moving down. So that's what it looks inside. Freezing tubes. That's the model of it. The system goes to throw water, refrigerated water, at the back and down here. But I did it in another way to put it here. Then I put some large thing and the water goes directly inside it, not to clean down. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Here you can put whatever you like. That's the thing. Here you have flags part and different things. Not very good done because when you put too large things, bottles, whatever, it destroys. So it's still working. You can put things like apple, lemon here, but not something with great weight. So that's the fridge itself. So I covered it with this style. Here at the back, like this, at the top, like this. Here it's covering, it's being held with this. You can change the door to the other side in case. But it's still working. That's the thing. And the thing. Here there is a light, 12 volts lamp. You can get it at any website. And here you have settings to turn on, turn off. Here underneath there is also there was also a click to unfreeze it half automatically, but it doesn't work as I understand. So such a freeze it is. You can use this every time. By the way, economically it's the lowest power consumption freeze. Only 180 watts or 60 watts per hour. So glorify the gods, such a manual.